Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly what to do if you forget your WordPress username or password and you don't know how to recover it. So let's say you go to your WordPress login page, you enter your username and password and you get this error. The username or password you entered is incorrect. Right below that error, you will see an option that says lost your password. Click on it. Now you will see a box asking you to enter your email address. If you remember the email you used when you registered your WordPress account, type it here. WordPress will send a password reset link to your email and you can simply click the link and set a new password and log in. But here's the problem. Sometimes we don't even remember the email we used, or maybe we can't access it anymore. So what do we do then? That's where cPanel comes in. Log into your hosting account and open cPanel. In cPanel, scroll down to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on it. Here you will see a list of all your website, including domains and subdomains where WordPress is installed. Find your domain. For example, mine is misbahmehmood.com and click on it. This will show you all the details for that WordPress installation. Now click on the Manage Users option. Here you can see these things like select an existing users and set a new password. Also you can add a new user with admin rights. Or if you want to log in without entering a username and password, simply click on Login button and you will be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, you can go to Users action, click on Users and All Users. Here you can see all your 3 users. You can change passwords for these existing users as well, and also you can add a new users with different roles. This way, next time you can log in directly using your updated email and password without needing to go through cPanel again. So that's it. Whether you remember your email or not, you know now 2 different ways to recover your WordPress login access. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.